Hello and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Sephora Play. Now, if you don't know what Sephora Play is, it is a $10 a month sample size product beauty subscription where you get beauty, hair, makeup, skincare. This is my second Sephora Play box, and my first one, I was super excited about it. I enjoyed everything I got in it. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. Show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. Every month you get 50 Beauty Insider points that you can use in Sephora. And the theme for this month is Beauty in Bloom, which means that spring is here and I can't wait for it to get more into it. On the front, it gives you little steps, tricks, lighten and brighten, spring clean your skin, say hello to sun, master second day hair, and kick up the color. The little scene that they put on here this month is just adorable. And then on the back it tells you about all of your products that you received. The bag does come like this now. So let's get in here and see what all we got. Let's pull out, if I can find it, the bonus item, which this month is a perfume. This is from Versace. This is the Bright Crystal. This is what it would look like if you bought the full-size perfume. And it's in a pretty pink bottle, which is cute, although you can't tell how full it is, but it is still cute with the pink packaging. It does smell good. So, it says, this month's bonus, hit the right note, Versace Bright Crystal. This fresh, sensual blend begins with pomegranate and ends with warmed notes of musk and amber. The fragrance family is floral. The top note is iced accord. The middle note is pomegranate, and the base note is peony. So, it does smell good. It smells very good. So there's that. Alright, the first thing I'm pulling out that is right on top is something that's stuck to something else. Okay, the first thing is the Golden Hour Glow. This is by First Aid Beauty. This is a facial radiance pad, a daily treatment pad that exfoliates, tones, and brightens all skin types. Why it's a spring must-have. Relieve dull skin and create a smooth canvas for makeup application with these safe and effective pads that use lactic and galactic acids. Natural ingredients also help tone skin and deliver a radiant complexion. Once or twice daily, white pad across face, neck, and décolleté after cleansing. So I have not used these. I am very happy to use them, to try them. I did just get a First Aid Ultra Repair Hydrating Primer. It was a sample that was sent to me, and I very much do like that. There's my dog. But you get 10 pads in here, so there's more than one use, so you actually do get to see if you like them. And of course, everything that comes in here, you can buy at your local Sephora or online. So, that's nice to have. The next thing I'm pulling out is Makeup Forever. This is an Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in Y335. This is an exclusive. A lightweight, medium coverage foundation that hydrates skin for an even complexion. Why it's a spring must-have. This spring makeup bag essential provides seamless, sheer coverage that lasts, ideal for all skin types. It leaves you with a comfortable, natural finish. So, those of you that do watch my videos and are subscribed to my channel will know that I do not use liquid foundation. My dog trying to get comfortable. So, I will probably put this in the giveaway tote, just for the simple fact that I know I'm not going to use it. There's no sense in even trying it, as I already know I'm not going to use it. But this is what that looks like. And it does come with a pump, so that is nice. But like I said, I don't use liquid foundation, so again, we're going to put this down here in the giveaway tote. And if you have not heard, I am doing a giveaway tote. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. The next thing we have is Everything Under the Sun. This is by Shiseido. This is an ultimate skin protection lotion. Wet Force SPF 50+. That is what that looks like. This is a clear sunscreen that becomes even more effective when exposed to water or sweat. It's a weightless, fast-absorbing formula. Provides broad spectrum SPF 50 protection. Plus, its velvety finish is ideal for layering under makeup. So, we can all use some protection from the sun. I have not used this kind of sunscreen or brand of sunscreen. But in the summer, I do like to wear sunscreen on my face, as well as the rest of me, but I do like it for on my face, so anything that can go under my makeup and still has sunscreen that protects me is a win-win for me. And it smells like sunscreen. Not real sure why I needed to take that out of there, but I did. So, that is what that looks like, and it smells like sunscreen, obviously. The next thing we're pulling out is a defining moment. This is an exclusive Sephora collection Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. A full volume mascara that coats lashes in a saturated black shade. I'm not going to open this. Like I've said, I have got umpteen million mascaras, and I'm not in the need to open another one quite yet. I will take it out of the package because it looks rather cute, the top of it. I would have liked to have seen a full-size mascara in here from a Sephora, since it's a Sephora brand. But the packaging is just adorable. And this says, why it's a spring must-have. Get lashes that look thicker and bolder with this buildable mascara that provides maximum definition. Plus, it uses jojoba oil, which prevents flaking, smudging, or clumping. You wiggle the brush at the root of lashes, then pull through to coat tips, and repeat as desired. So I will get back to you on this and what I think of it when I open it. But it is the Lash Craft Big Volume. Yeah, Big Volume Mascara. Like I said, I would have liked to have seen a full-size mascara from Sephora, since it is a Sephora play. And then the last thing we get in here is the, oh my goodness, It Cosmetics. This is Confidence in a Cleaner Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. It says it's a one-step cleanser that hydrates skin and leaves it soft and refreshed. Why it's a spring must-have. This innovative formula is part cleanser, part hydrator. It will remove all makeup, even the stubborn waterproof kind, while leaving skin balanced and rejuvenated. Gently massage a dime-sized amount onto wet skin morning and night, and then rinse. So this will be nice. I've not used the Confidence in a Cleaner. I did receive the Boxy Luxe this month from BoxyCharm, and we got the Confidence in a Cream that I have just been loving. So I'm all down for trying the cleanser that goes with it. And it smells just the same as the Confidence in a Cream. So, okay, and that is our Sephora bag for this month. We got the mascara, we got a sunscreen, we got the cleanser, we got the facial pads, oh, and we got the foundation that went into the giveaway, and then our bonus was the little perfume. So again, I am very happy with my Sephora play. I like getting things that I have never tried, which is why I started doing all of the subscription boxes. So if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Possibly subscribe to my channel. Share my videos. That always helps. Keep in mind that I do have a giveaway going once I reach 500 subscribers. And until next time, I'll see you later. Stay beautiful. Bye.